I appreciate it. So this track over here, the Eagles Canyon track, is it's a facility that you can actually come in and stay for the weekend, bring your race car, and wake up in the morning to the smell, the beautiful smell of burning rubber, because that's literally what it smells like over here in the morning when you wake up and you go over there by that terrace. You drink a cup of coffee and you smell that sweet smell, you know, of people just you know, just doing laps early in the morning. Imagine 7 in the morning, 7:30 in the morning, 8 o'clock in the morning. It's nice and cool, and you come into a place, walk outside and go to a racetrack. That is living right there. You know, that is living right there. Right there we have a beautiful bike. There's a lot of motorcycle enthusiasts over here, a lot of Porsche enthusiasts. As you just saw, there is somebody, one of the technicians is tuning up one of the race cars to go out and take it out. In the weekend, there's a couple of races going on over here. There is, like, you name it, they have it over here. This is just an amazing facility. We're gonna go over here to one of the paddocks. Right here they have a fleet of Toyota Supras, and this is just impressive. We're gonna stop and take a look at one of the Supras over here. This is one of the pace cars, but we're just gonna drive around a little bit and check it out. There's a 996 over there just chilling, or a 997. I think it's a 6. Let's go take a look. Take a closer look. That's that is a 996. Beautiful 996, decked out for racing. There's Boxsters over there. There are some. This is just an amazing facility. I'm so impressed by, number one, by how friendly and nice everybody is here in Eagles Canyon, and also by the facility. This is just a beautiful facility. So kudos to the people from Eagles Canyon. Kudos to the designers of this facility. Like, this is just impressive. I can talk all day, and I was without words for a little bit. But yeah, like, this is amazing. This paddock is crazy. I don't understand how I didn't know about this sooner. This is just, I am flabbergasted in a way. Let's go take a look at that pace car. We're gonna walk around it and take a look at it. I mean, these are, let's just stop here real quick, put the hazards. And I'm gonna shut up for a bit so that way you guys can enjoy the little race cars, the super race cars. So this is that pace car. Isn't that a beaut? I'm here taking some pictures at the same time that I'm filming. It's all cool. So this is just amazing. They have a clubhouse over there. Wish I had a little more time to take it. Well, let's go. We only live once. Let's go to the clubhouse real quick and drive through. Look at that. I want to go fast. Let's take a quick look at the clubhouse. I just love this. Let's take a quick picture. What's up, dude? Wow, look at all these toys. Eagle Canyons 894. I don't know what this is. This is a GT3 or a GT2 RS. Or, no, it's a GT4 RS. Oh my god. I gotta brush up on my Porsches. This is a little machine. I mean, this is nice. I like. And I love to see this. These are in their natural element. Got an M2 up there. This is what? This is a 4? No, M2. Jesus Christ. This is awesome. Okay, I'll shut up. Let you guys enjoy this. Look at that, they have a hydration station. Stay hydrated, everybody. When you're out in the track, you gotta drink water. Get back over here. And there you have it, everybody. Eagles Canyon Raceway. An amazing track here in Decatur, Texas. You have to check it out. It's just amazing. I'm impressed. So if you want to keep hanging out with us, just click this video right here on the screen somewhere. See you there.